All right, so in our essay here, you've written all your highlighted stuff. Who knows what the abstract noun is that we're going to write about? Mr. Village.
Change.
We're going to write about change. So in the middle of your first wheel, write the word change. We're only going to get a little ways this morning, but that's okay. Who remembers what we do with the first spoke? Elizabeth. We use the word. This will be the first word in our essay. Kids, keep in mind as you grow and your writing develops, you don't have to do it this way, but this is a way to keep you focused. And it works. What's the next thing we have to do?
Don't you define the abstract noun?
You have to define it. What's the next spoke tell us to do, Brooke?
Don't you introduce the author of the book?
You introduce the author. I'm just going to put here introduce story, but when we introduce the story, we also introduce the author. What's this spoke? This is the hard one that kids forget. Clinton?
You connect the abstract noun to the.
You tie, this is your abstract noun, right?
Yep.
And we have to tie the abstract noun, so we have to tie change to the story. And then finally, what's our last spoke, kids?
Thesis.
Our thesis, where we are going to list how many things?
Three.
We have to list the 3 things we're going to talk about, which we don't know yet. So we're going to do a brainstorm real quick. I hear it. I'm not answering it. It'll wait. What's one big change that we could develop? Now remember, she's changing a lot and it's bouncing, right? Back and forth. So what we want to do is think of 3 really strong examples from the story of where a change is happening. Alex.
Memory.
With what though?
She's losing her memories.
With what? You have to be very specific now. It's kind of like you have to focus on one incident. Give me an example of where we see her changing to this new person. Just one part of the story. Jacob.
Where in chapter 12, and after the shower, she just forgets everything of Hannah.
Okay, I like that actually a lot, but I think it should go here because this is where she's really like all of a sudden, poof, it's all gone, right? So we'll talk here about the shower. After they take the shower, let's pick 2 more up before we leave so I can post this. Elizabeth.
I forget which chapter it was, but like it was at the very end, and she says, "I remember my mom, my dad, and somebody else."
So how about family? Is that earlier in the story? What's another example? Come on guys, get your hands up.
Her popularity, because she said that Hannah was super unpopular and was bullied, and in this new place, everyone's like, you're Chaya, Reuben.
All right, I'm going to put popularity first. Are we good with these? I think we can develop these. And then I'm going to put family here. So here, face-to-face learners. I'm going to put family and friends, right? Would that be fair to say?
Yes.
Okay, here's what I want you to do today. Before you come back, could you do me a favor? Find the page that this part of the story happens. Find a page number where we see her forgetting who her family is, and find a page number where they talk about her popularity. Can we do that before we come back?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I will see you in a little bit. Thank you.
Okay.